withdraw the resolution with the COMELEC on Thursday, and then they filed on Friday, the following day, a petition to the Supreme Court for restraining order. Therefore, it's a great case of forum shopping, and therefore, the case here should be dismissed, just as the Supreme Court should, I think, also dismiss the petition. It's obvious that they're just delaying. These are all dilatory tactics on the part of our opponent. And I think I'm confident that the COMELEC and the Supreme Court should rule in favor of the real winner in these elections. This is my son.
So inaasahan niyo, sir, yung mga nag-participate?
Well, that will be the subject of the memorandum that our lawyers, maybe my lawyer, Tony Garcia, will further explain.
Hindi pag-participate ang contention namin doon, hindi pwede mag-participate at no point na sapagkat may decision po dyan yung kaso ng Estrella versus COMELEC. Ang sabi ng Supreme Court, kapag nag-descent ka na o nag-limit ka na, lalo na pagkayat no point ka, hindi ka mag-participate doon, ano pang gusto mo para mag-participate sa hearing o kahit sa kanta. So, we will insist in the memorandum that those who do not take a part in the deliberation cannot take a part in the hearing. That is not because we are afraid that they may reverse themselves or they may side with the dissenting opinion, but what we are saying is sobra-sobra na po kasi blunder, sobra-sobra po kasi mga paglapastanga sa procedure. Isipin niyo po, nag-hearing kami dito, hindi mo parang nakakaya nagsasalita kami dito sa COMELEC. Nandiyan ang mga commissioners except one. Yung pala meron na palang kaso sa Supreme Court, hindi po pwede yung dalawa-dalawa yung pinafile. Kasi otherwise, you are trying to prostitute the proceedings. Hindi po ba? Hindi ka pwede yung gano'n eh. Kinakailangan tapusin mo muna yung isa bago ka mag-involve ng jurisdiction ng susunod na state. At alam niyo ang effect nun sa amin, alam namin mga lawyers, na kapag nag-forum shopping ka, it will cause the dismissal not only of the case in the COMELEC, but it should likewise cause the dismissal of the Supreme Court. Eh pag po nagkaganon, wala na po kami din.
Sir, pati yung pag-issue ng 5 days, 7 days, delay yung natin.
Ako nga po, kung tutuusin, I just bow down to wisdom of the Honorable Commission. Ako talaga kung masusunod, hindi na tataan kung kinakailangan mag-file ng memorandum. Kasi pag nag-file ka pa po ng memorandum, parang kung kinilala pa namin may jurisdiction ng Congo, mapait po akin yung unang nilalakad sa kanila eh. So pag nag-file ka ng memorandum, ibig sabihin yung mismo pinagpapayaw, so ikapangyarihan pa mag-desisyon ng kaso. So ako, lalagay ko po, magpapalo ko ng memorandum without prejudice to my continuing objection to the proceedings and my continuing question to the jurisdiction of the court.
Yung sinasabi ko niya, si Atty. Garcia, siya 3 days lang, 2 days na eh. Sila 5 yata sila eh. Gusto nila eh. 10 araw. So dito dilatory tactics natin.
Kaya,